Science is a broad field, and while many people are familiar with the traditional careers of doctors, engineers, and researchers, there are countless fascinating and lesser-known science jobs that are just as crucial to advancing our understanding of the world. These unique roles combine creativity, curiosity, and specialized knowledge to explore new frontiers in technology, biology, and the environment. Here are the top 10 most amazing jobs in science that you've probably never heard of. 1. Forensic Penologist. A forensic penologist specializes in studying pollen and spores to solve crimes or understand environmental conditions. These scientists analyze microscopic plant materials found at crime scenes, helping investigators determine where a crime occurred or what time of year it took place. Penologists work in a variety of settings, including criminal investigations, archaeological digs, and environmental studies. This job involves a mix of botany, biology, and forensic science, and can provide crucial evidence in criminal cases. 2. Astrobiologist. Astrobiologists study the potential for life beyond Earth. They explore how life could exist on other planets, moons, or celestial bodies, researching extreme environments on Earth to better understand how organisms might survive in space. Astrobiologists often work with NASA or other space agencies, conducting experiments, studying meteorites, and analyzing data from space missions. The goal is to answer one of humanity's biggest questions: are we alone in the universe? 3. Bioluminescence Scientist. Bioluminescence scientists explore organisms that produce light naturally, such as fireflies, certain types of fungi, and deep-sea creatures. They investigate how these organisms generate light and how this process can be applied in technology and medicine. Their research can lead to breakthroughs in bioengineering, creating glowing plants or new imaging techniques in medicine. Studying bioluminescence offers insights into the chemistry of light production and its potential uses in human applications. 4. Cryobiologist. Cryobiologists study the effects of extremely low temperatures on living organisms and cells. They focus on freezing biological materials, including sperm, eggs, and embryos, to preserve them for future use in medical treatments, conservation efforts, or reproductive technologies. Cryobiologists also research ways to prevent cellular damage during freezing, making this a critical field for advancements in fertility treatments, organ preservation, and space exploration. 5. Ethical hacker, white hat hacker. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, play a crucial role in cybersecurity by testing systems for vulnerabilities before malicious hackers can exploit them. They work to protect companies, governments, and individuals from cyber threats by identifying weaknesses in their systems and helping to patch them. These hackers use their skills to fight cybercrime, making sure that sensitive information stays safe from malicious actors. It's a job that requires a deep understanding of computer programming, networks, and encryption. 6. Geo Archaeologist. Geoarchaeologists combine the study of geology with archaeology to understand how the Earth's processes have affected human history. By analyzing soil samples, sediment layers, and rock formations, geoarchaeologists help uncover how ancient civilizations interacted with their environments. They can reveal information about past climates, natural disasters, and the ways early humans adapted to changing landscapes. Geoarchaeologists often work on excavation teams and help reconstruct ancient environments. 7. Marine Biotechnologist. Marine biotechnologists use the biological resources from marine organisms, such as plants, animals, and microbes, to create products or technologies that benefit human society. Their work might involve developing pharmaceuticals from deep-sea creatures, creating sustainable seafood alternatives, or using algae for biofuels. Marine biotechnology plays a key role in environmental conservation, as well as the development of green technologies. It's an exciting field at the intersection of biology, chemistry, and marine science. 8. Sound designer for scientific research. Sound designers for scientific research play an integral role in creating soundscapes for experiments or simulations. These professionals are often involved in studies on acoustics, hearing, and sound-based therapies. They might work with medical researchers to develop audio tools for diagnosing or treating hearing impairments, or they may design sound environments for wildlife studies to monitor animal behavior. Sound designers can also assist in research about how different species perceive sound, leading to breakthroughs in both technology and animal behavior studies. 9. Environmental DNA, Edna, Specialist. Environmental DNA, Edna, specialists analyze genetic material shed by organisms into their environment, such as water, soil, or air. By extracting and sequencing DNA found in environmental samples, they can monitor biodiversity, track invasive species, or even detect endangered animals without needing to physically find them. This emerging field of genetics is transforming wildlife conservation, allowing for more non-invasive, efficient methods of studying ecosystems. Edna specialists help scientists gather data about biodiversity without disturbing natural habitats. 10. Space Weather Scientist. Space weather scientists study the effects of solar activity, such as solar flares and coronal mass ejections, on Earth's magnetic field and technology. Their research helps predict space weather events that can disrupt satellite communications, power grids, and GPS systems. By monitoring the sun's behavior and understanding space weather patterns, these scientists help mitigate the risks associated with solar storms. Space weather science is an increasingly important field as humanity becomes more dependent on technology and space-based infrastructure. These science jobs are just a few examples of the many fascinating and unusual careers that exist in the scientific community. Each of these roles requires specialized knowledge, a passion for discovery, and a willingness to push the boundaries of what's possible. Whether you're exploring the stars, preserving ancient cultures, or designing new technologies, these jobs show that the world of science is far more diverse and exciting than most people realize.